know sometimes you go and see Santa and your kids get pictures and you're like, that was not a good Santa. Fun never stops when you have a 4 and a 5-year-old. I love the way they turned out. Right, here's what $700 worth of stuff looks like from Shoppers Drug Mart that I got for free. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas week 2 coming at you. I have so many fun things planned this week. I will take my Vlogmas week 1 video here so you can get caught up on all my festivities for the month. It's Angeline. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to subscribe to follow along for more videos. I love posting all types of content, wellness, fitness, self-care, but I am participating in Vlogmas for the very first time. So today is Sunday, December 1st. We are headed to the Spruce Meadows Market here in Calgary, and my kids get to see Santa, so they are all dressed up, and we're excited to get this day going. So I just threw on this cardigan. It's super cute. It's just like a wool Christmassy sweater. I love it, although I hate wearing wool sweaters because they're always so scratchy. Ugh, so hopefully I can make it through the day. It is a Sunday. It is the first day of December, which is bananas. It is still freezing outside, so we're gonna have to dress up warm to go to the market, although we are supposed to get a Chinook this weekend. If you are not from Canada and don't know what a Chinook is, it's warm air that comes kind of off the mountains and creates kind of like a warm air area. And so Calgary, because we're so close to the mountains, we get Chinooks. It's supposed to get quite warm this week, which is exciting. It's always a nice break in the winter. Like I said, my kids are going to see Santa. They're very excited. I got them new outfits from, my daughter's wearing a dress from Old Navy, so cute. And my son is wearing a sweater from H&M that I got. I know it's December 1st and I know a lot of people do Elf on a Shelf, but we don't do Elf on a Shelf. Like, there's enough going on that I feel like we don't need to add to the stress of Christmas. If you have small kids and it's December 1st, then happy Elf on a Shelf return. I'm hoping that Santa at the market is sleek. I've never actually seen him. My husband is downstairs packing snacks, waters, and the wagon. My kids are really excited to get going. What are we thinking about the haircut? The curtain bangs, kept the length, kept some of the layers.
Big smile. Big smile.
I didn't see one with the red nose.
That's how we're advent calendars. Woo! That's what mine.
So that is to explain how it works.
Mom,
That's awesome, girl.
my favorite.
Start with this one. And then it looks like the red piece goes on with the clown.
Doggy,
Doggy.
it's not yours. Not yours. She's like, where's my advent calendar? I snuck away to do my skincare, my nighttime skincare, while the kids are enjoying their advent calendars downstairs. It was a really nice Sunday, but I swear the weekends just fly by. I'm back to work tomorrow. The kids have school. I get my house in order, but I'm excited for some warm weather starting tomorrow, which is exciting. See you tomorrow. Oh, it's already the end of another day. I'm tired. I should be going to bed. I realized that it's getting closer and closer to Christmas, so I am making Christmas cards. Every year I hand make all of my Christmas cards. This year, even though I can't mail them because of the Canada Post strike, I'm gonna hand deliver the ones that I can. So today was Cyber Monday. This is what I'm doing. I'm die cutting these cute little gnomes out. I'm obsessed with Christmas gnomes. My decor all around my house is Christmas gnomes. So I'm just using these die cuts and cutting them out of paper. I did more shopping, which I probably shouldn't have. Did end up buying a suitcase. I didn't end up getting one from Bays because they didn't have any good sales, but I went with Mono's suitcases, and I know they're really like highly rated and people really like them. So anyways, I'm gonna keep at it with my Christmas cards. Tomorrow I have a 5 a.m. workout at F45, so quite a big stack here of cards to make, so I gotta get on it. Man, I'm tired. So yes, tomorrow I have a 5 a.m. workout at F45 because at 6 a.m. I have to register my kids for swimming lessons, and that's when registration opens. So yeah, all the fun parenting thing. And tomorrow's another day. I just hope, fingers crossed, that I do not wake up sick. I'm gonna go pound some vitamin C right now. It is 4:30 in the morning, and yes, I did sleep. I actually slept 7 hours, which is pretty much all I need. And I just had a little bit of breakfast, and I'm 100% just gluing right now and working on my Christmas cards. Yes, gonna go to the gym, then register for swimming lessons. Hopefully I have time to sauna after, and then I have to get my kids to school and a full day of work, and then working on my cards. Better stop talking, I don't want to wake anybody. Hello, good evening. My kids and I just baked some cookies, and there's a million things that I should be doing right now, but my kids asked to play roller beads. So here I am. What do you guys think? My son made a snowflake for Christmas. We want to do a Christmas tree as well. It's definitely hard at the end of the day when there's lots to be done. My husband's out getting groceries, but my kids definitely need connection after school. So we try really hard to be present and connect with them. So I baked cookies with them as soon as we got home from school. We did perler beads, and when my husband gets home, we'll have supper and then get them to bed. Another crazy day, and tomorrow I'm actually in the office, so I need to make sure I have everything set out for that. Got some gluten-free chocolate chip cookies, nothing Christmassy, but my kids are gluten sensitive and I'm gluten-free, so yeah. One has a bite taken out of it. I definitely ate it. I have to test it. I have to make sure it's fine, right? All right, we turn them into ornaments. So my son made this beautiful snowflake, and Addison's eating cookies and made a rainbow. Where are you gonna hang that one? Yes, all of our ornaments are kind of situated in this bottom half of the tree. Wonder why? I'm gonna put it over there. Love it. I'm so tired. It was a long Tuesday for sure. The great news is I finished all my Christmas cards. I'm so excited. Look how cute they turned out. Obsessed. I made like 10 of this kind. Then I made a few larger ones. I like to make bigger ones for my parents because I put larger pictures inside. The next big thing I have to work on, or big project, is finishing the 2024 photo book that I make every year for my parents, my in-laws, and myself. I like having a photo book on hand, and it's been fun having one every year just to see how my kids grow. So I do need to get that photo book completed and ordered so that it makes it in time for Christmas. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning, and what time is it? It is 6:50. And I'm just in downtown now getting parking, and we'll spend the day at the office. I go to the office a couple times a month, and the rest of the time I do work from home, which is nice. So I'm going to get myself settled in the office and definitely grab a Starbucks because I didn't have time to make my coffee this morning, and get this day started. Right, I'm headed out for the day. It's absolutely freezing. I'm just walking to my car. I'm wearing my Lululemon sleeping bag. Oh my gosh, it's cold. I'm gonna go home and hopefully make preschool pickup, see my kids, and get some lasagna going for supper time. We can let Addie go first today.
I'm gonna go first.
No, you go first every time. Let's go, Addie. Let Addie go first.
On the next one, can I go first? On the next one, can I go first?
No, she's going first now. It's the end of the day. I got home and I was so tired. I was very excited to see my kids, so made it for preschool pickup. Decided that I was way too tired to make lasagna. Anyway, so it's the end of the day now. My kids are asleep. It's 7 o'clock. I was going to film a Gymshark video because look, I finally got my Gymshark order. I've been waiting a long time for it, but it's just too dark. The sun's already set and the lighting's really poor. So I think I'm just gonna have to wait until tomorrow early evening to film before the sun sets and hopefully get that video posted for you. Tomorrow's Thursday, so it's a leg day at F45, I believe, which I love. It's my favorite day. And then full day of work just continues, never stops. Hello, it is Thursday. This week is flying by. The sun is rising. My kids are at school and I am trying to get some work done. I have to do year-end reviews with my team, so I'm trying to prepare for all of the year-end reviews that I have coming up in the next couple weeks. I'm doing a little bit of laundry as well because it's just that time of the week where I need to do like 6 loads of laundry. My kids each have loads of laundry. I have to wash their sheets. I have to wash my sheets, all the towels. My in-laws are coming tomorrow to stay for the weekend. I'm so excited because they haven't been here in a while because they live outside the city and the highway has not been great for them to drive on. So finally, they're coming and they get to see some of the changes we made to our house. All right, I'm working on the photo book right now because I have to order it today in order for it to make it by Christmas time, and I'm giving them as gifts to my mom and dad and my in-laws, so need to get the photo book ordered. I just used Photo Book Canada and I bought vouchers on Black Friday, so the price for 3 photo books will end up being like $100 Canadian, including shipping, which I think is a great deal. I highly recommend making photo books for, you know, in-laws, parents. I think it's just such a great gift and everybody loves having a good photo book. I'm starting to get all my Black Friday packages, which is super exciting. I finally received my Gymshark package and I just filmed a Gymshark try-on haul, but I just got 2 more packages. I'm so excited. My kids' rooms right now are really dark and I hate when I have to ask them to play in their room because I just feel like it's seriously so dark. They have like the boob lights that were original with the house and I let them go to Home Depot and choose their own lights. So my son's got delivered today. This is the one he chose. He's so cute. He chose this one because he's 5 years old. He said that it looks like an infinity symbol, which reminds him of Mario Kart. So this is what he chose. I'm really excited for him to see it and put that in his room. My exciting package came from Shoppers Drug Mart, and in my last Vlogmas video, I talked about all of the stuff I bought from Shoppers Drug Mart. So I'm gonna open this guy up. All right, I bought Clarins lip balm, and this is a hyaluronic acid one, and it's amazing. I got a couple of hand soaps, and these are just foaming hand soaps, and they're supposed to be all natural. So I got the Cherry Blossom and the Vanilla Mint hand soaps, La Roche-Posay, and I can see that it's actually frozen inside, so I'm hoping that doesn't ruin the product. This is a bad thing about getting things shipped in Calgary. I got a new La Roche-Posay cleanser, and it says gel micro peeling cleanser, and the reviews were insane, and I love that it's purple, so giving that a try. Got my Cocoa Kind oil to milk cleanser. Bought some shampoo and conditioner and leave-in detangler for my daughter's hair. My polypeptide moisturizer. Cocoa Kind vitamin C. I do need to check this because sometimes I get it and it's oxidized already and then I have to return it. You know it's oxidized because it's yellow in color. This one is nice and clear, so we're good. Bought my Rock new favorite retinol. Some Aveeno body lotion for my kids. I bought some new wax beads for my wax warmer thing, and these are so cute. They're little like bears. Amazing. They sent some free samples, so got some cologne samples for my husband, got some NARS samples and a hand cream sample, and my big purchase was, I'm very excited about it. I think I've told you guys already that my current is 6 years old and the screen doesn't actually work anymore, so I can't, it's not doesn't do anything when I touch it. So it just tells me the time now. So like it's a regular watch, but I like having all the functions of a smartwatch. So very excited about my Google Watch. I'm running to go get my kids from kindergarten and preschool. And then we have to get on with our evening. My husband is outside putting out Christmas lights because it's actually a nice sunny day.
Two more minutes.
They don't think that their body's involved, right?
It's the end of the week. It's Friday at about 4:30 p.m. The sun is already setting, which is crazy. I had a really busy day at work. I had a virtual holiday event with my team, which was super fun. And now my in-laws are coming. So I'm just tidying the house so that I can get everything sorted for them. It's been a busy week. I'm tired. I'm looking forward to just relaxing. But of course my daughter has dance tonight. So I need to prepare for that. It's just never ending. And I can't believe how fast the weeks fly by. Good morning. It is the final day of this Vlogmas, day 7. It's Saturday. I just got home from F45. It is 8:30. I still haven't changed out my watch, so my watch still doesn't work. Went to bed very tired, woke up feeling good, feeling strong, went to the gym, and I'm home now. They're watching F1 qualifying downstairs, and I need to get myself sorted for the day. Forgot to mention that I did wear my new Legacy leggings to the gym this morning. Absolutely love this dark purple color, and my Gymshark video goes live in about 1 hour, so be sure to check that video out if you're interested on all the fun stuff I got on Black Friday. All right, let me get myself ready to go for the day. The gingerbread man. Hello. No, I think these are slippers. I love these Christmas pajamas though. Is it good? Favorite part of my day? Thanks for asking. It's this. Getting to spend time with you one-on-one. What's the favorite part of your day today? Yeah, playing with Gran and Grams this morning. Yeah. So Addie and I went shopping and went to the library, got some library books, and we bought some Christmas crafts from Michael's so that we can make some decorations for our tree. Right, girl?
Yeah, and we also spend time together.
We also spent time together. I think we did a pretty good job, hey?
Now we do the blue one. It says
Yeah, we have to let these ones dry before we can hang them on the tree.
Now we do the blue one.
Sure.
What?
The end of another busy week. I really appreciate you guys being here. It's been super fun filming. I did better this week than I did last week where I forgot to film a lot. Really, really busy. I'm trying to turn my camera on as much as possible while still staying present with my children. So excited for the weeks to come. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on Vlogmas week 3. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day and you're enjoying all your own Christmas festivities. Have a great day and bye for now.